All right, so I got this case, all right, and it's too big for me to be honest with you. I like to slim down things, and of course, I reached out to TORRAS to send me a case. Please help me out and send me a new case because I'm not liking the one I have. This is a Galaxy 26, and you know they send me, they reply. Now, there's a couple of things I want to lose out from this case to this case, all right? Now, this case, the only reason I got it is because it has the magnetic ring that I really need too. This one has it too, but this one has a stand, all right? And I sacrificed getting rid of the little stand and the little old ring that belongs to because I like to slim down and look slick. Now, the case itself is beautiful, but when they sent this that came with the case, you're gonna say, what are these? They're not pills. They're actually buttons that you can replace on the actual on the actual case itself. To be honest with you, this is a slimmed down version of it. If you like slick stuff like I do, like simple stuff like this, I really like it. So I sacrifice giving out my ring over ring, but I get the magnetic charge still and everything else, and for a slicker look. And they give you extra accessories. I was like, oh, intrigued on this. So let's put it together and see how this phone that I have, the Galaxy 26, looks on this case. All right. Replacing the case. Always start in corners. All right. The bottom corners is the best part too because you're gonna face it down. You can push it down too. So facing it down is always the best part. If you guys can see, once you get that input in there, all you got to do is just lift it up a little bit, and that's it. Now, this is the actual case itself. It's slim. It is slim pickings. I like this. Look at that. It has the extra slick little view on the actual for the cameras itself. Buttons fit perfectly. If you're not happy with the color, you want to make it shine, this is the neon colors they give you for you. Great access to your charger, great access to your pen. That's one thing I ran into the last one I had. It was hitting the actual pen area here. And on this one, it's built in. Now, you guys know that the pen, you can't rotate it in different direction. It has to go exactly the same entrance that it came in. It has access to the charging station, your microphone, your speakers, your ring light, your ring, and then of course another set of speakers, your buttons, all good within that. Now this one has a more like a frost look all around it, and this is the natural color of it. But the looks and the slim down of it, it's good. I'm going to demonstrate you with another case that I have here, and look how thickness of the actual cases are. Right, this is a new case I just got, and I didn't like it because it was too thick for me, to be honest with you, and I had to slim it down. That's why I asked TORRAS to send me a new one. And look at this, they came through. This case is it fits a lot better in my pocket. I couldn't add another couple centimeters on it because it's just too bulky. Now, the only thing that is difference on these two phones, honestly, is the size of it and the ring that it has. The ring that's actually removable, it's not removable, but it's adjustable. This one doesn't have one, but it comes with all the features I actually require for, right? And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, so on this one, I got the Samsung magnetic charge, right? And that's one thing I needed to do. This is the magnet part, right? It just, look at that. Look at that. It still holds on really good. And that's what I wanted. Just make sure that because I do have other things that attach to the actual phone too. I do tripods and stuff like that I need to attach it to the system. And this is handy where I just get the phone and just magnetically either charge or hold on to the devices. So I like that part of it. Look at that slim down version. And right now I do have my phone is carrying a little bit more weight, but many reasons why I wanted to slim down. It's just it fits better on my pocket, to be honest. I like the looks on it, I like the design on it, and then plus the extra features. This is a win-win situation. So if you guys are looking for similar cases, something slimmed down, beautiful looking, they have different colors and sizes and different types of phones too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.